Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today we are canning pork loin. We are raw packing it. It's one of the easiest ways to can meat. First, you need to take off as much fat as you can. And this won't go to waste. I'll save this for pork broth. And after that, my chickens will get it. I'll fix the camera here so you all can see. All you do is slice your meat up into however big a chunks you want. Throw it in the jar. You need to pack your jar as much as you can. When you raw pack, you don't add no liquid. This will make its own juices. You'll need to fill your jar just below the 1-inch headspace. If you have wide mouth jars, they work the best for meats because when you open them, the meat will come out better and easier. But I have used regular mouth. You can use regular mouth jars too. I did for years. And usually the pint jars, they hold about 1 pound of meat. Next, I'm adding a half a teaspoon to each jar of salt. You don't have to add salt, and you can add other seasonings, just long as they don't have like flour or cornstarch or something like that in it. Then you'll need to wipe the rim of your jar. I use a little bit of vinegar. It helps cut the grease or anything that's left on the rim. This will make sure that there's no food left on there, because if you've got something on your rim, it could prevent a seal. Next, add your lid and ring to fingertip tight. If you tighten them down too much, it could cause your lids to buckle, and if you get it too loose, it may prevent it from sealing. After I'm done, I'll put them in my pressure canner. I've got cold water in my pressure canner because the meat's cold and the jars are cold. If you have hot water and that cold jar goes in there, it could bust your jar. My canner holds 8 of the wide mouth pint jars. I'll put the lid on and turn the heat up a little bit until I see the steam coming out like this. It's a steady stream of steam, and I'll set my timer for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'll put my weight on. I'm above 1,000 feet in elevation, so I use 15 pounds pressure. You'll have to check your elevation for what pressure you use. After it comes up to pressure and the weight's rocking, I will set my timer for 75 minutes. For pints, if you're doing quarts, it'll be 90 minutes. Okay, and here they are out of the canner. See the bubbling liquid in there? That is its own juices. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed day, and come back and see us.